Hi everyone, my name is Aisha Ochuwa, and today I want to talk to you about involvement and venturing. Now, it is important for a business owner to constantly think of ways to improve on the quality of products and services being offered to customers for sale. If this is my line of business, what are the other things that complement this line of business? Create a proper market analysis. Position your business in that kind of position where no one can do without you. If they don't need A, they will surely need B. If they don't need B, they will surely need C. Don't have the negative mindset where you say, she's in the same line of business, I don't want to do anything with her so that my customers will not know her. Who told you your customers don't already know her? So why not leverage on the fact that she has her own audience, you have your own audience? How about both of you come together and create a Valentine collection? People get bored easily, so they come up with different trends. You have to go with the flow. What are the trends that are exciting people? What are the trends? Which platform is hot at the moment? Is it TikTok? Everybody is going to move to TikTok. Is it Telegram? Everybody is going to. Everybody creating a Telegram group. How about you meet them there? Is it Facebook that is hot at the moment? Let us all meet on Facebook.